Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs and with popular features, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2014 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.